Found out that sharks only attack people on accident. They don't like the taste of people. Whenever they bite people, they're mistaking us for their food, which really makes you feel bad for sharks. Right? Can you imagine living your life like that? Not knowing what's food until you violently bite into it? All day long. I thought that was a burger. I think that's why sharks always look like they just did something they don't want you to know about. Because sharks are always like...